Well, hi, Rog here and welcome back to my channel. If you're like me and you grow your own tomatoes, and mine have done really well this year, it comes to the end of the season and you have to sort them out and you're left with loads and loads of green ones. You put them on your windowsill, hope they're going to go ripe, and they don't. Well, some do. So don't waste the green ones, make tomato chutney. Now here I have 1 kilo of green tomatoes, or 2 1/4 pounds, which I've chopped into roughly 1 centimetre or 1/2 inch pieces. And we'll also need 400 millilitres of vinegar, 200 grams of brown sugar, in this case I've used soft muscovado, 200 grams of chopped onions, 100 grams of raisins, and I've chopped these just a little bit, 1 cooking apple which I've peeled and coarsely chopped, 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. Now put all of your ingredients into a large pan. Turn on the heat and bring to the boil. Once it comes to the boil, we can turn the heat down and simmer this for about 2 hours, stirring gently from time to time. After 2 hours of cooking, of simmering, you can see that it's thickened up quite nicely. So now it's time to let this cool down, ready for the jars. Now take your jars and make sure they're sterile. Then in we go with the chutney. A quick wipe around the edge to tidy it up. Make sure that the lid is sterile as well, and on it goes, and then we have the first jar. Well, that looks great, doesn't it? I'm so pleased. It turned out really well, and it saves wasting all those green tomatoes, which probably wouldn't go ripe anyway. And you can have this chutney with cheese. But it's good with cheese, it's good with a lot of things. Thank you so much for watching this latest video of mine. Hope that you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed making it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and watch for next videos. Hopefully the next one will be just around the corner. So all I can say now is bye, and I will see you guys next time.